Yes, good. Yes, children. Should we start the question again? I'm asking the question again, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Name the two Indians who visited Europe and confronted the image about Indians the Europeans had in their mind, which was due to the writings of the Francois Bernier.
Um, yes, ma'am. The name was
Again, I can't see your faces. पता नहीं चलिए ठीक है. Let us continue this way on. चलिए, but I am telling the answer. It was Sheikh
yes,
Istiqamuddin and Mirza Abu Talib. ठीक है? Sheikh Istiqamuddin and Mirza Abu Talib. Then I am asking the question with options. To which of these countries did Francois Bernier belong to? Britain, Morocco, France, Uzbekistan.
ma'am. France.
Yes, France is the right answer. Okay, to whom Francois Bernier had dedicated his major writings?
Ma'am, ma'am, Mughal emperors.
No, he belonged to France, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
To the France king. No pictures.
Louis 16.
It is Louis XIV, not 16. ठीक है?
14. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Where did the Ibn Battuta born?
Ma'am, Ibn Battuta.
Hmm.
He's a traveler, ma'am. I think he was born in Morocco because ma'am he
Yes.
is a Moroccan traveler.
Moroccan traveler, absolutely right. At least he got this. It was Tangier in Morocco. ठीक है? The place is Tangier.
Tangier, yes.
Hmm.
Tangier.
In which language has he written? Ibn Battuta
Ma'am, it
used
was
which language to write his writings?
Hala.
Hmm?
it's
Arabic.
Arabic
Yes, it is
language.
Arabic only. Yes, that's right. Okay. Name the some places visited by him. He was very fond of traveling. Yes, Divanshi, why you
Yes,
left the
ma'am.
meeting? Okay. Yes, beta. Tell me some places visited by him. He was a great traveler.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
there are many
Mathura.
places like ma'am.
Yes, Sifa. Now I can see the face of Sifa. Why not your Ayan? I can't understand. Yes, Sifa, you are answering?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, Mathura, Kashmir, Surat, Masulipatam, and
No,
Golconda.
your answer is wrong, beta. Not in India.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
All over the world, I am asking.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
Ayan, you
Ma'am,
can
may I?
answer now.
Ma'am, North Africa at Cairo, Jerusalem, Jerusalem, Damascus, Medina, Makkah, Iraq, Persia. There are so many places, ma'am.
चलिए, I'm telling all the correct places. It was Syria, Oman, Persia, Iraq. Some of you had been told by you also. India and China.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
How much time did it take while moving from Multan to Delhi at that time?
How much time, ma'am?
Ma'am, 40 days.
Yes, absolutely right. It was 40 days time taken up. And what was the other way of communicating the things? है ना? Which system was used for the fast communication?
Ma'am, it was uh, the messenger who carried the uh, letter to the different sites.
It was on horse as well as on foot.
Horse
है ना?
messenger.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me first about the how they used to go through the horse. चलिए, and tell me about how they walk on foot at that time for transporting the message into the fast way. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, repeat again, ma'am.
कंप्लीट हुआ
Hmm? Beta, 1 mile is divided into three parts. है ना? Okay. And in one hand, he had a rod with bells. Okay. And in another hand, he had the message. And when he started running, he started running very fast as much as he could. And when he reached to the next person, before that, when he started hearing the bells, you know, okay, so he took his position. And when he reached there, तो जैसे आपकी वो रिले रेस होती है ना, ठीक है, he took the message from him and started running. So there is no gap of time. Even if the first one is exhausted, then the another one can run fast because he has started the things just now. In the same way, it was communicated to the next person. Okay, this is how
Okay, ma'am.
जो चीज पहुंचने में आपके 40 days लग रहे थे, the same information would be sent within the 4 days. Okay, right, children?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when did Ibn Battuta return home?
Return home. Return at 1349.
It is 54. It is 1354.
54.
Hmm.
Okay.
Who was deputed to write what Ibn Battuta dictated. Okay, when
And
you know na
to
कि when he reached to his home place, है ना, ठीक है, he reached to his hometown. So emperor asked one person to assist him. He is going to tell his accounts ki what all he had seen in India, and there will be another person who will be writing for him. Who was that person?
ma'am, Ma'am, it's don't know the answer.
It's Ibn
Oh,
Zuzavi. क्या नाम था
ma'am,
उसका?
what?
Ibn Zuzavi.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Ibn Juzal.
हाँ. And how he has described the Indian market. बेटा नो, रियली आई एम वेरी मच डिसअपॉइंटेड. कोई फायदा नहीं ऐसे टेस्ट लेना का कि एक भी तो आंसर आप नहीं दे रहे हो. एंड व्हेन आई टुक द टेस्ट ऑफ क्लास 11th, रियली इट वाज वेरी गुड. Though not everyone is answering, but least four children were answering very well. Every answer is given by them. Yes, anyone?
Please repeat the question.
How he has described the Indian bazaars. Ibn Battuta has described about the Indian bazaars. How he found them.
Um,
The
he
bazaars were
described,
not only the places of economic transactions,
Hmm.
but
ma'am, he described the Indian bazaars as a
But he
the
has
core
the
described
feature
that
of
whole.
the
mosques and
bazaars
temples.
were filled with variety of things. Okay? The bazaars were very colorful. Every bazaar
And
had
crowd
a
and
temple and a mosque.
Mosque,
ठीक है. And as well as he had described that there are places for performing cultural activities. ठीक है. People used to perform dance, music
music,
at the
and singer.
different confined places or the different assigned places. बड़ा ये तो इतनी इजी चीजें हैं कि अगर आप एक बार लेसन को रीड करोगे तो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू फॉरगेट इट. You haven't even gone through the lesson, children. Okay, what are the two amazing things he found in India which he has described? Unusual, he
coconut,
found unusual and described to the people.
ma'am, coconut and the pan.
Yes, it is coconut and pan. Absolutely right.
Yes.
Okay. Name two writers who followed in footsteps of Ibn Battuta in their writing, who had followed him.
Ma'am, the two writers.
Hmm.
The,
Okay, I am telling the answer. It is Abdul Razak Samarkandi and Muhammad Wali Balkhi, right? Okay. Tell me how he has described Pan to the people.
yes, ma'am. The pan was described by Ibn Battuta.
Hmm. And I will ask for coconut also.
Yes, ma'am. It was described as the beetle of the tree. The beetle is a tree which was cultivated in this same manner in which the grapevine was
Yes, he has
cultivated.
described it was grown like the grapevine. Yes.
Grapevine.
Next.
And the manner of it was used before eating it.
Hmm.
One takes the nut in it and this like a nutmeg,
Hmm.
but is broken it until reduced to the small pellets or
Yes.
small
Very
pieces,
good.
and then it take into the mouth and chews them.
And one thing more is scribed. वो जो चूना
Ma'am,
लगाते
he
हैं उसके
puts
लिए
a
उसने बोला था
little
one
chalk.
paste is
Yes, ma'am. He
applied
puts a little chalk.
on the pan. Okay.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
what about the coconut?
The coconut is the
Yes. Anyone
he
else? Wait, Ayan. Anyone else? Can you describe? Yes, children. चलिए आन आप भी बताइए.
ma'am, the coconut. He described the coconut as like a man's head.
Yes.
Mm, It was the he described like these tree as the most peculiar trees in the India and
Hmm.
the most and it has most astonishing habit. They
Hmm.
look exactly like date palms, but
Hmm.
without difference them except that one produces its nut as its fruit and
Hmm.
other produces dates.
Yes.
The nut of the coconut tree resembles of a man's head, like its two eyes and one mouth, and
Hmm.
it has several hairs, and the green part of the coconut looks like a brain of the man.
Yes, absolutely right. And he told me that it is looks very hard, but from inside it was a
It's
soft
very
nut.
soft,
Okay, when
a
it
soft.
was green,
Yes,
it was a soft nut.
soft one.
Okay, and he is even is described what is the uses of these hair of the coconut. ठीक है, जो
Ma'am,
hairy
yes,
part
ma'am.
होता है
The
इसका, it is used to make ropes, है ना.
ropes, yes, ma'am.
है ना. और उसने बताया था कि even to instead of using nail, है ना, in the ships ropes are used to tie them. ठीक है. चलिए बेटा. Okay, he came to India in the rule of which Mughal emperor?
Emperor Shah Jahan.
No.
मुगल एम्परर के टाइम पे हम किसी या तो हम अकबर के रेन पर आए थे या फिर हम शायद
No,
शाहजहां के.
no,
नॉट अकबर.
not Mughal emperor. Actually, it was from Sultanate. I'm sorry, I asked the wrong question. It was from Sultanate. It was a ruler.
मैम.
It was Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Okay,
ओके.
and he became the Qazi in his court for some
He
time.
was the Sultan of Delhi.
Hmm. Okay, children. And how we found the soil of the India, good or bad? As you have seen, कि Bernier has described the soil was not too fertile and all that, है ना? And it was not given to the individuals. It was the property of the kingdom. Hmm? ठीक है?
यस मैम.
What? How has he described the soil of India?
Ma'am, he described the soil in India as very uh, unfertile land. Ma'am, I think he said that
नहीं नहीं,
it's
he
very
described it as very fertile, children.
ma'am,
Okay, and he told people ki that two crops were raised, है ना, your kharif and rabi, winter crop and the summer crop, and at some places even three crops were raised.
yes.
Okay. Okay, what was the description of the land given by the this Bernier, Francois Bernier?
Ma'am, he described the land as it is the large portion is very extremely fertile,
Hmm.
and he also said that not only the production of rice and corn, he other necessities of life also uh, agriculture there. But ma'am, in many articles he also said that ma'am, uh, like silk, corn, and silks, cotton, and indigo are not cultivated in Egypt
But I'm
also.
not asking about what things are grown. I'm asking about the who possessed the land actually, according to him.
Um,
And he has described ki that land was deteriorating. What were the reasons? Na? Okay, children, I'm telling you, he has described the Indian land does not belong to the individual persons. Okay? It was the property of the kingdom, and he has described due to this uh, because it was the property of the kingdom, it was not a hereditary property of an individual. Okay? So people did not put their efforts to improve the land. ठीक है, वो अपनी तरफ से कोई एफर्ट नहीं करते थे कि लैंड के इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए कुछ करा जाए, है ना। जैसे आप देखते हो ना कि कोई चीज अगर हमको बिलोंग करती हुई है, सपोज आप किसी मकान में अपने घर में रह रहे हो जो आपका पूरा ज्वाइंट है ना, तो आप उसमें तब तक पैसा बहुत ज्यादा नहीं लगाओगे, अपनी जरूरत के अकॉर्डिंग थोड़ा बहुत लगाओगे, क्योंकि आपको पता है कि पता नहीं ये आपके किस फैमिली मेंबर के पास जाएगी, है ना। ठीक है, तो आप उसको बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए काम नहीं करते। बट इफ़ इट इज़ योर ओन हाउस, तो आप उसको इम्प्रूवमेंट, उसके मेंटेनेंस के लिए पूरा काम करते हैं। ठीक है, तो उसको उनका कहना था कि बिकॉज इसके दो नुकसान हो रहे थे कि जो लैंड की क्वालिटी आपकी है वो डिटीरिएट होती जा रही थी, क्योंकि लोगों को लगता था कि ये लैंड उनके आगे वाली जनरेशन को नहीं मिलेगी। ठीक है, तो वो अपना उसमें कोई एफर्ट ही नहीं कर रहे थे। और दूसरा एक तरीके से उनके लिए कहना था कि वो वहाँ पर कलेक्टिव फार्मिंग करी जाती थी, तो उसमें जो भी आपका शेयर था वो मेनली किंगडम को जाता था। तो इवन ड्यू टू दैट रीजन ऑल्सो पीपल आर नॉट पुटिंग देयर फुल एफर्ट्स। ठीक है, और इस तरीके से ना तो प्रोडक्शन बहुत अच्छा हो रहा था, और जो लैंड है वो भी, उसकी जो क्वालिटी है, उसकी जो फर्टिलिटी है वो डे बाय डे कम होती चली जा रही। ठीक है, दीज वर द his his opinion. ठीक है, these all were his opinion regarding the land, though these were not correct. ठीक है, जो हमने अभी बिगनिंग में अभी पढ़ा था कि दो लोगों ने इसको वहां जाके एनकाउंटर करा है, पर उसने जो भी लिखा है ना, पीपल यूज टू बिलीव ऑन हिज राइटिंग। ठीक है, शुरू में जो भी उसने अपना लिखा है वो सब चीजें लार्ज नंबर में पब्लिश होती हैं। ठीक है, और साथ के साथ वो सेल हो जाती हैं। लोग बाग उसकी राइटिंग्स को इतना पसंद कर रहे थे, बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर थी उसकी राइटिंग्स। एंड अगेन व्हेन इट वाज ट्रांसलेटेड इन इंग्लिश एंड दे आर पब्लिश्ड, अगेन द सेम वे दे वर सोल्ड लाइक दिस। जबकि उसने इंडिया के बारे में बहुत कुछ रॉन्ग डिस्क्राइब करा हुआ था। और जैसा कि हमने अभी पढ़ा है कि शेख इस्तितामुद्दीन एंड द मिर्जा अबू तालिब, है ना, दे वेंट टू यूरोप एंड दे हैव ट्राइड पीपल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि जो भी इन बुक्स में लिखा हुआ है दैट वाज अ रॉन्ग थिंग। ओके चिल्ड्रन, बेटा अभी तो मैं आपको नेक्स्ट ऑन द नेक्स्ट टर्न वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी। ठीक है, द थीम 9 विल स्टार्ट विद दैट। आज मैं आपको उसके नोट्स भेज रही हूँ। ठीक है, राइट। पर उसके बाद
okay,
दो तीन क्लासेस के बाद अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द रिविजन ऑफ यूनिट 6, योर थीम 6। ठीक है चिल्ड्रन, प्रिपेयर वेरी वेल, it should not be like today's class. Is it clear?
okay, ma'am.
ठीक है, but today
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
very much disappointed with your attitude children regarding this test. ऐसा लगा कि आप लोगों ने तो बुक ही नहीं खोल के देखी, the way you are answering. और मेरे ख्याल से दक्ष ने, थोड़ा सा शिफा ने, और या आयान, only 2-3 people have answered. बेटा डोंट लीव द मीटिंग, सुमंत हैज लेफ्ट द मीटिंग। ठीक है बेटा, मैं लास्ट में भी अटेंडेंस मार्क करती हूँ आपकी और बिगनिंग में भी।
मैम मैं यही हूँ।
ओके, ठीक है, आई एम टेकिंग योर अटेंडेंस, सो बी हियर, डोंट लीव इट। When I'll ask you to leave the class, only then you leave it. Till then I am sharing the notes of this lesson, ठीक है, with you. Okay, children, you may leave now. I'm sending the notes. And read the lesson 9. Okay, bye, children. Have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.